National Weather Service in northern Indiana has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for St. Joseph County in north-central Indiana, Stark County in northwestern Indiana, Marshall County in north-central Indiana, LaPorte County in northwestern Indiana, Western Cass County in southwestern Michigan, Berrien County in southwestern Michigan, until 6:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, or 5:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 5:17 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, or 4:17 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 16 miles northeast of Hyde Park to near Gary to near Crown Point to near Lake Village, moving east at 55 miles per hour. These are very dangerous storms. Hazard, 80 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be heavily damaged. Expect considerable damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles. Extensive tree damage and power outages are likely. Severe thunderstorms will be near Wanata and La Crosse around 5:40 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Westville and Trail Creek around 5:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. New Buffalo and Kingsford Heights around 5:50 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. LaPorte, Knox, Bridgman, North Judson, Three Oaks, Hamlet, Shorewood Tower Hills Harbor and Shorewood Tower Hill around 5:55 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Stevensville around 6 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Buchanan, Waukegan, New Carlisle and Coots Lake around 6:05 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Plymouth, North Liberty and Berrien Springs around 6:10 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. South Bend, Niles and Culver around 6:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time.
Bird, if you're a good boy, chirp. If you're a good boy, chirp. Herbert, if you're a good boy.
The National Weather Service in northern Indiana has issued a tornado warning for southeastern Elkhart County in north-central Indiana, western Noble County in northeastern Indiana, northwestern Whitley County in northeastern Indiana, northern Kosciuszko County in north-central Indiana, east-central Marshall County in north-central Indiana, until 7 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 6:37 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Napanee, moving east at 60 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Milford around 6:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Warsaw and Syracuse around 6:50 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. North Webster around 6:55 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Etna Green, Big Barbie Lake, Ridinger Lake, Monocket, Hoffman Lake, Leesburg, Etwood, Big Lake, Irish Lake and Lake Wawasee. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. This cluster of thunderstorms is capable of producing tornadoes and widespread significant wind damage. Do not wait to see or hear the tornado. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.